Welcome to Bizo Mathematics, your trusted companion for class 10 maths. So those who are preparing for the next upcoming board, CBSE board for class 10 in 2026, so they all are welcome to this video. In this video, we will understand the very first concept of real numbers. Okay, very first concept of real numbers, that is Euclid's division lemma. So welcome again to this channel. So please like, subscribe and share this video so that a lot of students can take benefit of this. So before we begin to understand the first concept, that is Euclid's division lemma, let us quickly recall what are real numbers, because we are going to study the first chapter of class 10th, that is real numbers. All rational and irrational numbers together form the set of real numbers. You have already studied in class 9. If we classify the real numbers are classified first in two types. Real numbers are classified as rational number and irrational number. Rational number consist all the integers. Rational numbers also include all the integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. Okay, so what is rational number? So rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q. Means we can write rational number as p by q, where p and q both are integers and q must not be equal to 0. This condition must satisfy for the rational number. Means all the rational numbers can be written in the form of p by q. If any number written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, you have to keep in your mind. Then you can call that number as a rational. And what is irrational numbers? Those numbers which cannot be written in the p by q form. Means root 2, pi basically in rational numbers written as 22 by 7, but this is not actually, this is approximate value. Okay, root 3 another irrational number, root 5 another irrational number, 5 minus root 3 another irrational number. Okay, all integers, whole number, natural numbers are considered as rational number. Okay, you have already studied in class 9. So let's begin with the first concept, that is Euclid division lemma. This lemma is a rule in maths which helps us to divide any positive integers. Means for any two positive integers a and b, there exist q and r such that a is equal to b plus q, bq plus r, such that a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 but less than b. Okay, so try to understand this. Actually, a is equal to bq plus r. This is just like what we do in long division method. Okay, long division method, that is a dividend, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And this is the format. These and these algorithm both are same. Okay, from childhood we are studying this dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same is converted in this algorithm, that is a is equal to bq plus r. So we will use this format to find the SCF. So this concept is used to find basically the HCF of any two numbers. So to understand the applications, let us take an example. Okay, let's take an example and apply Euclid's division lemma to find the HCF of 96 and 404. Okay, let us find this. How can you find this? Step 1. In step 1, 404 is equal to 96 multiply 4 plus 20. So do this algorithm until the remainder becomes 0, and the divisor in the step in which the remainder is 0, the divisor in that step is considered as HCF. So first step 404 is written as 96 multiply 4 plus 20. Simple division. Just simply divide 404 by 96. Then we get 4 is 6, 4 is 24, 38. This is 0 and this is here 2, finish 20. So in next step 96 is divided. So 96 written as 20 into 4 plus 16. In third step 20 is divided. 16 multiply 1 plus 4. In step 4 16 is divided by 4. The 4 is 16 plus 0. So in this step we can see that the remainder is 0. Okay, this is the remainders. These all are remainders. And in the steps, remainder is 0. So the divisor in this case, this is the divisor. So the divisor in this step is considered as SCF. So this is the SCF of these two given numbers. So SCF of 96 and 404 is equal to 4. Next question, find the SCF of these two values using Euclid's algorithm. So let's again try to find. Step 1. 225 is equal to, always divide bigger number by smaller number. Okay. Step 1, 225 is written as 135 multiply 1 plus 65 or and 5 70 90. Step 2, 135 is equal to 90 into 1 is equal, sorry, plus 45 is the remainder. Step 3, 90 is written as 45 into 2 plus 0. So here you can see that in this the third step the remainder becomes 0, and if the remainder is 0, then the divisor of that step is considered as the HCF of the given numbers. So HCF of 135 and 225 is equal to 45. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. In the next video, we will cover the next important topics of this chapter, that is real numbers, is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Till then, keep practicing. See you soon.